Hi, everyone. We are zooming into the community. We love chatting with our friends from Serve Connecticut and, of course, all the programs that we have. And we're here today to talk to a really good friend of ours. And I'm so excited to meet you, even if it's over these zooming into the community meetings. But I want to make sure I get your title right. You are the program manager of Prevention Corps, one of the many amazing programs with Serve Connecticut. Please welcome Sheila Wiley. Hi, Sheila.
Hi, Renee. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. Oh my gosh, the outreach that you do and how you serve the community is so very amazing. So I don't want to brag about you. I want to let you brag about the amazing team that you have and the volunteers and the people that do the great outreach into the community that you've really been doing even through this pandemic. So please share with our audience all about Prevention Corps with Serve Connecticut and AmeriCorps program.
Yeah, absolutely. So Prevention Corps is an AmeriCorps program focused on addressing the opioid crisis in our state of Connecticut. It is obviously a very pressing issue, especially throughout the COVID-19 pandemic. Unfortunately, we have seen about a 14% increase in overdose deaths related to opioids. So we have just an incredible team of AmeriCorps members working across the state to help communities address this issue and reach more people, getting them connected to recovery resources, battling stigma out in the community so that we can have a more open conversation about substance use and mental health. And they are just, I can't brag enough about them. They're just incredibly passionate, incredibly talented individuals, and we're really lucky to work with them and our partners throughout the state.
Yeah, there's a lot of training that goes along hand in hand with this because you want to make sure you're pairing the right people up with the right people or addressing the right
Mm-hmm.
crisis in need. Besides the opioid crisis, what are some of the other preventative maintenance or programs do you offer to residents of the area you serve in our state?
Absolutely. So we really believe that knowledge is power, and knowledge empowers. And so all of our AmeriCorps members work with community members to get them to a point where they feel comfortable in having conversations with people in their lives about mental health and substance misuse, and also being empowered bystanders if they do encounter an opioid related emergency. So some of the things that our members are trained to do, they are Narcan trainers themselves. So they actually go out into the community and teach people how to respond to opioid overdoses using Narcan, which is a medication. It's a nasal spray that actually reverses opioid overdoses. It is really, really incredible, and it is out there saving lives. So they do a lot of that work. They also do a lot of work around mental health. So we do train our members in suicide prevention efforts, in what's called mental health first aid, and really treating mental health and substance use just like physical health is something that we really try to do internally with our team so that when they're out serving the community, they